Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with KnowledgeHut.
Hello and welcome to KnowledgeHut. In this video, we will talk about the difference between data science and machine learning. Let us begin with understanding the origin of data science. Earlier, businesses and other institutions which dealt with data were able to store most of the data in Excel sheets. Simple business intelligence tools were capable of analyzing and processing this data. The reason behind it was the presence of a lesser amount of data. But with the passage of time, the amount of data available to be analyzed kept increasing. Domo Incorporation, a computer software company, predicts that by 2020, 1.7 megabytes of data will be created every second for every person on Earth. This is the scale of data which will be available in the future. Most of it will be either semi-structured or unstructured. For processing the data of this magnitude, we need more sophisticated and advanced tools and techniques. This is where data science comes into the picture. Data science deep dives at a granular level of data to mine and understand complex behavior and trends. It can bring out hidden insights, which can help entities to make smarter business decisions. Netflix mines data related to viewing patterns of its customers and understands what drives user interest. Based on the findings, it produces original series. P&G utilizes time series models to more clearly understand future demand, which helps to plan for production levels more optimally. Now let us understand what machine learning is. The idea behind machine learning is that you teach machines by feeding them data and letting them learn on their own without any human interventions. The process of learning begins with observations or data such as examples, direct experience, or instruction, in order to look for patterns in data and make better decisions in the future based on the examples that we provide. The primary aim here is to allow the computers to learn automatically without human intervention or assistance and adjust actions accordingly. In order to avoid confusion, let us first see the field of data science. Data science conveys a wide spectrum of domains, and machine learning is one of them. Apart from machine learning, artificial intelligence and deep learning are also major domains under data science. In fact, deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence are all used in data science for analysis of data and extraction of useful information from it. Now you may ask, how is machine learning used in data science? To answer your question, let us see the data lifecycle and the stage at which machine learning is used. Suppose you want to create a recommendation system for your e-commerce website. This system recommends products to the customers on the basis of their shopping patterns. For building such a recommendation system, you may use the data related to customers' browsing history, previous purchases, their reviews, ratings, profile details, card details, etc. During the development process, you will go through the different stages of data science lifecycle. You will begin with the business requirement stage, where you will understand the problem which you are trying to solve. In our case, we are trying to increase sales with the help of our recommendation system. Then you will reach the data acquisition stage, where you will identify different sources from which the data will be acquired for your recommendation system to work. User ratings, comments, cart history, etc. are some examples. Then you will reach the data processing or data cleaning stage. In this stage, the raw data will be transformed into the desired format so that it becomes possible for you to perform operations on it. Then comes the data exploration stage, where a data analyst uses visual exploration to understand what is in a dataset and the characteristics of the data. These characteristics can include size or amount of data, completeness, correctness of the data, possible relationships among data elements, etc. Then the fifth stage is where you incorporate machine learning into data science. This stage is called data modeling. Now let us see how machine learning is implemented in the data modeling stage. First, the data gathered in the previous stages is imported in the process. This data should be in the proper structure. Table or CSV formats are some preferred formats. After this, the data is further cleaned in order to get rid of any inconsistencies. Then, the data model is built. Here, the data is split into two sets, one for training and the other for testing. The model is built by the training dataset. Various machine learning algorithms are also used. In the next stage, the model is trained. The training dataset is used to train the model. After the model is trained, it is then evaluated by using the testing dataset. At this stage, the model is fed new data points, and it must predict the outcome by running the new data points on the machine learning model that was built earlier. After the model is evaluated using the testing data, its accuracy is calculated. The accuracy is then improved by various different methods. So this was the role of the machine learning process in the data science lifecycle. After the machine learning stage, the final model is deployed onto a production environment for final user acceptance. So we hope that you now understand how data science and machine learning go hand in hand. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.